Hello everyone, welcome again to our course. In this part, we will learn a bit about Swift language. Swift was developed by Apple and was first introduced at Apple's 2014 Worldwide Developers Conference. Swift is primarily used for building apps on Apple platforms. It's the native language to build apps for iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple TV, and Apple Watch. Swift version 2.2 was made open source in December 2015. So, why do you learn Swift? If you want to build native apps on Apple platforms like iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple TV, or Apple Watch, then Swift is the language you would use. Swift is also being used for building server-side applications. Swift is easy to learn and friendly to new programmers. It's a safe, fast, and interactive programming language. Before we can start writing Swift code, we need to install a piece of software on our Mac, which is Xcode. In the next part, we will install Xcode.